Hi everyone, welcome to Style3D channel. In this video, you will learn how to make a pleated skirt, so let's get started. First, open the file and box, select the belt. Ctrl K to deactivate the pattern. Then Shift Q. Make the pattern hidden. Start sewing the waist. Select the segment sewing tools. Make the waist head part. Sewing. Click on the most edge waist section. Ctrl J, do the freeze simulation. After simulated stabilization, we can start creating the patterns of the skirt. The minimum cycle of a pleated skirt is 3 internal lines. That means 3 units to make a big pleats. Calculate a waist circumference of 42 centimeters. It can make 14 3 centimeters pleats. 1 pleat made by 3 centimeters pleats. So 3 by 14 is equal to 42 pleats. Here we create a length of 42 by 3 equal to 126 centimeters. Width of 50 centimeters rectangular pattern. Next, select the outline. Right-click to generate equidistant internal lines. Distance, 3 quantity 41, default direction. Select all points on the pattern. Right-click. Align and add point to the outline. So we can generate points on the edge. Select the pleat fold tool. Double-click from left to right. Select the first knife pleat. Number of internal lines per pleat is 3. Click to confirm, so we have the internal line of the pleats. Select the pleat sewing tool. Sew the waist first, then sew the skirt body. Next, we freeze the waist. Ctrl J. Strengthen the skirt. Ctrl H. Press the space bar to simulate. Select all the internal lines. Right-click to generate equidistant internal lines. Space change to 0.2. Count as 1. Use extend is both sides. Change the angle to 175. This will make the pleats more rounded. Not be too sharp. Then change the particle distance of the skirt to 10. Reduce the particle distance to make its simulation more accurate. Select all the waist and body. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy and paste. Generate skirt back pattern. Adjust the back piece to fit the avatar. We need to align the skirt with the front piece. This will reduce the simulating error rate. Press shortcut key 2 to quickly return to the front view. Select segment sewing tools. Sewing the waist. Here we need be careful not to make wrong sewing. We can also switch to free sewing tools. Sew. While sewing, we check in the 3D window now. After sewing the waist and body, do the check. After confirming no problem, select the waist. Ctrl-J to unfreeze. Ctrl-H strengthen press the space bar to simulate. We can check to see if there is any mold through. We can adjust the hemline. Here we can see that the waist is a little bit low, so we do the adjustment. Select the whole skirt, move it up, press the space bar, simulate. Generally, the back piece is higher than the front piece, so we adjust the waist of the back piece. As well, select the waist belt, Shift Q, show the 3D patterns, Ctrl K activate. Adjust the position of the waist belt. Simulate. Next we make the trouser ears. Give a knitted fabric to the ear, use the rectangle to generate a shape. Adjust its position. Freeze the whole body. We can check the length of the ear. You can use pen tool. Mark the position. Next, use a sewing tool. Sew the ear and skirt together. Find the right position to sew. Press the space bar to simulate. Here we need keep the mold don't through each other. So set the ear later to 3. Make sure it doesn't collision with the belt and skirt. Next, we make the 3 more ears. Make the 2 in the front and back symmetrical. Sew the other ears to the skirt in the same way. The space bar to simulate. After we've made the ears, click to show 3D style. The whole dress is finished. You can rotate it. Check the skirts. Make sure there is no collision in the model. So now the pleated skirt is done. That's it, guys, and I hope some of the tips will help your modeling work. If you like what we do, please liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.